Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. In this video, we will solve the fifth challenge of Salesforce Mobile App Rollout module of Admin Intermediate. The name of the challenge is Plan Your Rollout. Let's move to the challenge. So in this challenge, we have some theory questions. Let's solve the first one. A good time for your rollout could be over the holidays. This is false. At the end of the quarter. This is also false. When there is already a large company event planned like your sales kickoff. So this is the right answer for the first question. Let's check the second one. What are some common metrics used to measure the success of a mobile rollout? Employee satisfaction, this is true. There are not any good metrics for measuring the success of a rollout, this is false. Adoption data like logins and users, this is also true. So A and C are the right answer. Therefore, E is the right option for the second question. Let's move to the third one. What security related steps should you take before rolling out the Salesforce app? Develop rules and guidelines about employees using personal devices to access Salesforce data. This is true. Test the Salesforce app with your single sign-on solution if applicable. This is also true. Create an encryption system for the mobile app. This is false. So A and B are the right option. Therefore, D is the right answer for the third question. Let's check whether we have done it correct or not. So yes, we have completed this challenge. See you guys in the next video with a new challenge. Thank you.